By default, Leo product recommendation comes with layout type grid, which looks like this. But if you want to make this layout like a slider, then simply select this slider from the Leo product recommendation settings layout type. Okay, and from here you'll get all the options related to the slide. Okay, but before making any changes to our slider options, simply save settings and go to the front end, and let's reload the page and click on add to cart. And you can see that this is how actually our default slider layout looks like. So let's go and change the autoplay, etc, etc. So simply go back to your settings, and from here you can simply disable the autoplay. If you want to disable the autoplay, then simply uncheck this and then scroll down and click on save settings. And let's go to the front end, and you can see that this is how autoplay works. And let's reload the page, click on add to cart from here, and you can see that the autoplay stops. So simply go to the back end and simply check this, because I want the autoplay feature. And you can also change the autoplay speed from here, which is by default 2000 millisecond. Let's make it 1000 millisecond. And you can also change the merge speed from here. Let's make it 600 millisecond. And you can also uncheck this loop and how many items you want to slide at a time. You can change the number of items you want to slide from here. Simply, if I click on this, you can simply choose 2 from here. Okay, make it 2. And you can also change the number of products you want to display in the desktop, which is by default 5. Sorry, 4. Let's make it 5. And you can also change the number of products you want to display in tablets, which is by default 3. Okay, let's make all of this default, and the mobile one is also same. And you can also change the columns gap from here, which is by default 20. Let's make this 10. Okay, and click on settings, save settings, and let's go to the front end and let's reload the page. And from here, click on add to cart. And here you can see that this is how it looks right now. So that's all about slider layout options.